Hello my dear students, you see the sum questions on a screens. There are three types of multiplications. I will give you the simple, easy, quicker and interesting method of multiplying these questions. Now I multiply all these questions in just a minutes, and then I will give you some simple and easy tricks that you also multiply these types of questions in just few seconds. You see and the watch that I will multiply. One one three zero. 9310, that is 9603 9996 9975. You see that I will multiply all these questions in just a few seconds. If you are visiting first time in our channels, then you subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so you get notification every time. All these types of multiplications you can multiply in just a few seconds. Now I will explain how to multiply these types of questions in a few seconds. Just a type 1. At first you see the type 1. Type 1 questions is write any numbers more than 100. Write any number more than 100, that is you choose the base is 100. Base is 100. Like 105 into 106. 105 and 106. Listen carefully. 105 minus 100, that is plus 5. क्या करना है? 105 is को में से 100 को माइनस करना. 105 is 5 more than 100. 106 is 6 more than 100. Write here plus 5 plus 6. Then add diagonally. 105 plus 6. 105 plus 6, that is a 111, or 106 plus 5, that is 111. Only one. Add this or this plus this, or this plus this. That is 105 plus 6, that is 111. Then you multiply these numbers. 5 into 6. Write down 30. Multiplication is 11130. I will take us some more example. Write 107 102. 107 7 more than 100 and 102 is 2 more than 100. Again repeat. You minus 107 minus 100, because base is 100, minus 100, that is 7, on 102 minus 100, that is 2. 107 minus 100, that is 7, or 102 minus 100, that is 2. Cross adding. Add 107 plus 2, that is 109. Then multiply 7 into 2. Write 14. This is the multiplication of 107 and 102. Okay. Take some more example. Like 101 and 102. This is plus 1 and plus 2. 101 is 1 more than 100 and 102 is 2 more than 100. Write plus 1 and plus 2. Add this plus this, that is 103. Then multiply these numbers 1 and 2, that is 1 to 2. Write 2 and 10, because you need a 2 digit. Okay, 10302. I hope you will all of you understand about this types of multiplications. Now multiply the second types of multiplication. Second type. Base is 100. Both the number is less than 100. Suppose 98 multiplied by 97. 98 multiplied by 97. 98 minus 100, that is minus 2. Or 97 minus 100, that is minus 3. Write down 98 minus 100, that is a minus 2. Or 97 minus 100, that is a minus 3. Multiply these question. This 98 minus 3 or 97 minus 2, that is a 95. 98 minus 3, that is 95. Write down 95. Then multiply these numbers. Minus 2 into minus 3, that is a 6. Write down 0, 6. 2 digit लिखना है. Write down 2 digit 0, 6. You don't write 6. Write 0, 6. Second example, 92 into 96. Multiply 92 into 96. You can take any numbers. You can take any number. This is the minus 8 and this is the minus 4. 92 minus 100, that is minus 8, or 96 minus 100, that is a minus 4. Minus this 92 minus 4 or 96 minus 8, that is 92. जो छोटा number है उसी को take कर लेना. You take the smaller number. 92 minus 4, that is a 88. Write down the 88. Then multiply 8 into 4. Minus 8 into minus 4, that is a 32. Write down 32. This is the answer. 92 into 96 is 8832. Take some more example. $90 into 88. To take 90 into 88. 90 minus 100, that is a minus 10. And 88 minus 100, that is a minus 12. Minus 12. Minus this, that is a 78. This into this, minus this, or this minus this. Then multiply 10 into 12, that is a 120. This is the 3-digit number. Write down 20 and plus 1. 7920. 7920. Okay? Write down some more example. 85 into 99. 85 into 99. Write down minus 15 into, write down minus 1. 85 minus 100, that is a minus 15, or 99 minus 100, that is a minus 1. 85 minus 1, that is a 84. Minus 15 into 1, that is a 15. Now clear? You can multiply these types of multiplication in a just seconds. I will give you some questions and should try at home. That is a 105 into 106 and 107 into 108. 98 into 91 and 95 into 96. Okay, now you can multiply these types of multiplication in just a few seconds. This one is your homework, you can try it. Now comes the third type. Third type questions. One number is more than 100, and second number is less than 100. One number is more than 100 or second number is less than 100. That is, one number is 102 and second number is 98. You can multiply 102 into 98. Base is 100. Write down 102, 2 more than 100, or 98, 2 less than 100. Write down minus 2. Write down minus 2. This minus this, or this plus this. This minus this, or this plus this. 100, 2 minus 2, or 98 plus 2. Both are 100. Write down 100. And also write 2 0, additional 0. Then 2 into minus 2, that is a minus 4. Write down minus 4. 6, 9, 9, 9. This is the resultant answer. That is, when you multiply 102 to 98, your answer is 9996. 9996. Take some more example. 106 and 96. Multiplication of 106 and 96. 106 is 4 more than 100, or 96 is 4 less than 100. 6 more than 100, sorry. 6 more than 100, or 96 is 4 less than 100. You minus this 106 minus 4, or 96 plus 6. That is a 102. Write down 2 additional zeros here. Then multiply of these number 6 into minus 4, that is a minus 24. Write down minus 24. Write down minus 24. Then minus it 6, 7, 1, 10176. This is the required answer. You can take any numbers above the hundreds and below the 100. Okay, this types of tricks applicable only the numbers near about 100. Near about 100. 107 is 7 more than 100, or 92 is minus 8. 92 minus 8, 92 is less than 100 by 8. Okay? Minus this 107 minus 8, or 92 plus 7, that is a 99. Both are 99. Write down 99 and 2 additional zeros. Okay? Then multiply 7 into 6, that is a minus 56. Minus 56, that is 4, 4, 8, 9. This is the resultant answer. That's all in today's video. If you are visiting first time in our channel, then subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so you get notification every time. And like and share our videos. Thank you for watching video.